In 2007, I started Crispin Associates with the idea of creating a firm that brought a broad spectrum of experience in different areas, to include law enforcement, to include public service individuals, and as well as there are attorneys here who were prior enlisted, there are attorneys here from different branches of service, and the goal was to have as broad an understanding of the culture that exists in both military cases, regardless of what branch of service, and state, federal defense cases as well. So I think we've succeeded in doing that. We have one individual who's an Air Force judge advocate for 10 years. We have another individual who was a law enforcement or was a police officer for 10 years prior to becoming an attorney. And another attorney was Air Force enlisted for probably 15 years and went to law school at the same time he was in the Air National Guard. And of course my background is the Army. I was a public defender for a period of time, decided I wanted to, had always wanted to serve, and the opportunity presented itself where I was able to join the Army and travel and broaden my perspectives and horizon, and was given the opportunity to, my first duty station of course was Germany, and I absolutely loved it with 5th Corps and then 1st ID, and then served at 2 other CONUS locations prior to ETSing. So, and then from there I went directly into the National Guard and have held a number of positions, the bulk of which have been defense positions, whether it be Defense Counsel, Senior Defense Counsel, and of course now I'm a Regional Defense Counsel in the National Guard. So it has been truly a labor of love. I have absolutely enjoyed the process, although at times it's painful. But we have 10 people, 11 people working at Crispin Associates as a combination of support staff as well as attorneys. And even the support staff, one is a prior Cav Scout, one is a prior Air Force enlisted as well. And just a really interesting mix, and they all bring something to the table that I don't have. And my father told me early on, hire people that are smarter than you to do things, and I've tried to do that, and it has worked thus far.